and today I am going to show you how to make chocolate milkshake. So we have this two choco roll, this choco roll and this. Here we have cocoa powder, half tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, milk as per your choice, how much ever you want. So first we're gonna take the two choco fills and grind it. Guys, we're gonna add cocoa powder also. And we're gonna add sugar also, all the solid things. And grind it. We're gonna mix it. As you can see, it's powder. We're gonna add little quantity of milk. Now as you can see, we have mixed the milk. Now we're gonna pour in the milk this. You can see double the quantity it is being. You can put chocolate ice cream if you want. We are done, and you can see, if you want you can add chocolate ice cream in it, but if it is not available in your home you can do it like this. Chocolate milkshake, guys, you can see it is double the quantity. We put this much milk and it became this much, I think because of the powder. Okay guys, it is done. If you want you can keep it in the freezer, and if you want it cold you can put it ice cream also in it. And like and share and subscribe this video, and bye. Let me taste it. It looks so tempting now. Yummy guys. You can try this at home.